Hello everybody and welcome back to another Resident Evil video. Well, before we do recap, we got the new puzzle key for going further to the mansion for earlier, for later, and then unlocking keys, that is the sign of the armor. Then we got the another key, shield, I think. Also the next one, then the gate, then we got the shotgun. That's the new one we have. So without further ado, I hope you enjoy this episode. Okay, yeah, shield, key, and then we got a useless now. Let's start the adventuring again in the dungeon, in this hellish mansion. But we will go to the another place so we can fight. We can figure out the puzzle. Wait, I think there is, yep, this door. Okay, later I will unlock that later. So I will go there later, so but at least I unlocked it. Okay, another one, this one I think as well. All right, I think we will go down. Yeah, you have the small key, so this way there is a, what was it, lock door. Don't know. Then later on we will fight the hardest monster here. Oh, this key is useless now. Discard. Wow. Oh, that was fast. Okay. I think okay. Magazine. Bam. Okay. The dust is locked. Will you use small key? Will you use the small key? You have used the small key. Yep. Yep. I will take it. Thank you very much. Thank you for the drink that I made for this game so I can think clearly. Yeah. Because I hate games that is not clearing my brain. And this game needs a lot of thinking. Yep, this guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think you don't have the key for this room. Wait, what do you mean? Oh, okay, nice. I have the ink ribbon. Nothing special. Alright, let's check it here. Is there any importance here? Nothing. Well then, let's go back. At least we got a new one. Got a new ink ribbon for saving. Thank you for your service and goodbye. Wait. Oh, okay. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. I forgot. It's on the another side of the mansion. Okay, on the other side of the mansion where did I go here already? Okay, let's double check here. Okay, seems like I've been here. Okay, I would never thought I would play this again. Oh, but for now, after Resident Evil 2, yeah, after this game, the later game, the remastered, I think, the director's cut, the director's cut, I will play it. Okay, so I can a little bit say I want to play the like a remastered game, but tell me in the comments that what version of the director's cut am I going to play, or is it the censored one or the original one. Okay, so I am clearly on my mindset, so on playing it, because I will play this anytime. Okay, I have the solution. Yeah, I was just thinking of my mind, like at first theory. I'm sure it is newborn baby, infant, lively boy, young man, tired middle-aged man, then little bold man, if I'm correct, like that. Then when I saw that, oof, okay, I am correct. Then infant, I think this is infant. Okay, okay, lively boy. Okay, okay, okay. Oh man. Okay, picture of a tired middle-aged man. Yeah. Uy, yes. No. Okay, again. Let's retry it. Lively boy, young man. Oh my. Oh, I hate this. Okay. Okay. I hate this. Okay, newborn baby. Okay. Of course, be newborn because that. Okay, infant. Yes. Little boy. Okay. Lively boy, young man. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Tired middle-aged man, yes. Okay. Okay, last one. Okay, this picture of a bold looking old man. Yep. There's a message. Give me the peace of death and I'll give you the joy of life. There's a switch below it. Below. Will you push it? Yes. I will. I think I don't need the. Okay. We have the another key. Getting a lot of keys needed here. Wait, what? Oh. Okay, I got weird out on that helmet. Was it? Oh. Hmm. That's where I got weird out by like, huh? But there's music. Okay, we have the important things. Shield key. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, start quest. Okay, new key. I think let's think about it later, but I need to get here on the another way. I mean the puzzle over there on the green, on this hole. I think this door, I think. Yep, this one. We need it. All right. Well then, there you go. Okay. I think I need to do it facing. Or not. Wait, let me think about this first. Uh, I know I need to do it facing each other or not. Okay. Okay. Let's try it. Oh man, I have a lot of progress here, but let's try it, I guess. Okay. There's a switch. Will you push it? Yes. Oh! I'm sure right when I do that. Okay. Thank you. Oh. Okay. I think I need four? Four or three? Oh man, I thought I was going to be gassed. Oh, too terrible for my. Then next I will go there. In close quarters I need to use shotguns. Well, alright. But at least there are many herbs 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 that I need to get, but getting it is going to be hard. Point. Okay. 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 Oh no 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 biting. Okay. Okay, close range. We need to be prepared here. Oh man. This is the one I will never like. Okay, wait. Okay, we will get the red herb course. Okay, nothing here. Oh, wait. Of course, I will get that. Wait, is there any... Nothing. Okay. Okay, this is close quarters, so... Ay, ay, ay. Okay. It's so heavy to move. Okay, wait. Okay, before we... Okay, nice. Okay. For now, let's retreat back to the base because we are full of... Oh man. This game... Ay, man. Oh dear. I'm so worried on the frog monster. Uy. I do need the key. Okay. First, we need to get that ribbon. That's the main priority. Uy. That's the main priority for now, so we can, you know, recuperate for ourselves. Okay, I think we need to... It seems someone has searched here already. It's appear to be a switch. Can you push it? Yes. How? Researcher's will. My dear Alma, the fact you have received this letter is both a joy and a sadness for me. I could not even talk to you because of that guy in the sunglasses. Alma, be calm and read this. I think I've told you that I moved to a pharmaceutical company's lab. They headhunted me last month. There was an accident in the lab and the virus we were studying escaped. All my colleagues who were affected by the virus are dead. To be accurate, they become the living dead. They still wander around. Some of them are knocking on my room door desperately right now, but there's no sign of intelligence in their eyes. That cursed virus takes away all humanity from the human brain. Love, joy, sorrow, fear, humor, eternally, and Alma. Even the memories of these days I spent with you. Yes, I'm infected. I did everything I could, but I could only delay the progress by a few days. The most frightening thing is that I forgot more about you day by the day. So I chose I chose a peaceful death rather than becoming the living dead. Within an hour I will have entered my eternal sleep. I do hope you'll understand my decision. Goodbye and forever yours, Martin Crackhorn. Oh man. Oh dear lord. It's well arranged. What is this? Nothing special. Wait, where could... Okay. Oh, yes, please. Nice. Oh, no. Yeah, we need it. Let's go. Oh, man. Back and forth. Back and forth. Then we will get the lighter so I can light some things around. Oh, Lord. Uy. Oh, yeah. Yeah. We will need to get it first before. Hmm. Hmm. Limited inventory, huh? Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's go to the another way. Okay. But after that, we need to get the... Oh man. For now, we will not use the key, so we can sort of our things. But I don't know where to get that. Okay. Okay, I do need some new medicine for me here. Oh man. Oh, okay. With that? Oh, I thought. Okay. Okay. Red. Okay. Okay. We will need to get them all. Okay, later on. Okay, we will get this one. Okay. Let's just be, prepared on what will happen later. We will get all the guns here. We will remove the guns, all the guns, because I am not going to fight some zombies on this floor in this time. We need to be ready for the inevitable, inevitable, inevitable. Because later on, this game will spike hard later. The difficulty. Okay, wait. Okay. Magazine. Oh, yeah. I do need those. The second floor, I will not unlock it for now, because I don't want to have complications later when I get some new things. Ito. We will get the another thing on. We will get the outside, I think, if I'm correct. The outside world of the game. Okay. Okay, move. Okay. So later we will be nearer to the here. Okay. Oh man, I'm so anticipating the horrors. Ay. Wait. Oh, yep. I already drained it. Wait, what? Oh my god, wrong way. Okay. rusty boiler. Nothing strange. Okay, we will get this one as well. Oh man. Okay. I over prepared prepared. I over prepared, but at least I know what to do now. Oh man, I need to get all of that because I hate those monsters later. I'm going to fight. Hmm. Oh yeah, I forgot. Alright, we will get the lighter so we can burn. We can burn. I will get those later. So please just be patient. Ay ay ay. Hmm, okay. Okay. Then let's go to the second floor to get the remaining medicines and maybe fight the no, not fight the snake. Okay. At least I'm prepared. You really need to be prepared for that. Oh no. Oh no. All right, nice. Okay, complete. Then the lighter. Okay. Okay. Left side. Right side. Yeah, my left side. Okay. Of course, we will. Okay. Oh, Hmm. Okay. There you go. We created a map. Yes. Okay. For now. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Finished. We made a big progress, I think. Oh, we get the items that we need, and okay, we need to set our goal straight for tomorrow night again. Okay. Yes. Thank you. And then this is the end of the episode, everybody. Thank you for watching. Deus Volt and Bob.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their